here in drum 1, the ratio of A to B is 18 to 7. That means the fraction of A is 18 over 25 and B is 7 over 25. Now we're mixing drum 1 and drum 2 in the ratio of 3 to 4. So if we say we're mixing 3 liters or any volume, then the amount of A in it would be 18 over 25 times 3. B would be that same fraction times 3. Now in drum 2, let's say the ratio is R, A to B, which means there's R and there's a 1. That means the fraction of A would be R over R plus 1 times 4, because that's the volume I'm choosing. Same thing with B, it would be 1 over R plus 1 times 4. The reason I'm setting it up this way is that R is exactly what I'm looking for. So now I can write in the final mixture, A to B is in 13 to 7. So A is these two added up. So yeah, there's a bit of an algebra here. 4 times R over R plus 1 divided by the amount of B plus 4 times R, 1 over R plus 1, and that's 13 to 7. So what I'm going to do is to multiply that by 13 over 7, and you'll notice that at least the 7 would drop out. I'm distributing that by multiplying it with this. So 13 over 7 times 4 over R plus 1. And then I'll subtract that from this, move it to the other side. So yeah, it's a little bit messy. 18 over 25 times 3 minus 13 over 25 times 3. And that's equal to this piece. Trying to reduce my work here. Minus 4R over R plus 1, because I had to move that to the other side. Here, I can see that I can pull out the 3 over 25, and the difference between 18 and 13 is 5. So this is really 5 times 3 over 25. So it nicely becomes 3/5. Here I'm going to pull out 4 over R plus 1, and I would get 13 over 7 minus 4R. So at this stage, I have to do this multiplication. 13 minus, let me just make sure. No, it's actually, there's no 4 here because I already moved that out. 13 minus 7R over 7. I'm running out of space here. At this stage, I'll have to cross multiply. So that's 21 times R plus 1, and then 5 times that. So let me write down the intermediate step. I don't know if there's any easier way to do it. Let me see. I think, okay, that's 5 times 4. Yeah, I'm forgetting the 4 here. So it's actually, there's a 4 here, so it's 20. Yeah, I think if you make these kind of mistakes, it's going to be very difficult to recover. And on this side, it's 21R plus 21. Then move that here. That becomes 161R, and then 260 minus 21, which is 239. So R, which is what I'm looking for, is 239 over 161. So yeah, pain of a problem. Answer is B. And as you can see, there's several places here where you could make some mistake, which I was about to. But I think with these types of mistakes, for example, me not including 4, your answer will never be there because you'll be so off. So in that case, you'll then just have to go back and see, do I want to catch the mistakes? And that's why I think doing it clearly in the exam is going to be important. Of course, in the exam, I'll be doing it in sequentially, meaning like in a flow, not all over where here I'm trying to squeeze it. So to summarize, the answer is B.